This video will tell you how long the flu lasts and what factors can affect its duration. The flu, also known as influenza, is a common illness that affects many people each year. It's caused by the influenza virus, which can spread quickly among groups of people. Symptoms of the flu include a high fever, sore throat, cough, and body aches. Most people start feeling sick 1 to 4 days after the virus enters their body. The severity and duration of the flu can vary greatly from person to person. On average, a case of the flu lasts 1 to 2 weeks. The first few days after infection are usually the worst, with high fever and severe aches. Then most symptoms start to fade, but the feeling of tiredness can linger for some time. Factors like your age, general health, and how quickly you get treatment can affect how long the flu lasts. For example, children and the elderly often have longer bouts of flu. Those with chronic illnesses may also experience more severe symptoms and longer durations. Getting a flu vaccine each year can help prevent you from catching the flu. If you do get the flu, starting antiviral medication within 48 hours can help shorten its length. Rest and hydration are important for recovery and can also help reduce the duration of the illness. Avoiding contact with others while you're sick can help prevent the spread of the virus. Flu complications like pneumonia can make the illness last longer and can be serious. Contact your doctor if your symptoms last more than 2 weeks or if they get worse over time. Understanding how your body reacts to the flu can help you know what to expect. It's important to listen to your body and rest as much as possible when you're sick. While the flu is unpleasant, most people recover fully within a couple of weeks. Remember, good hygiene practices can help protect you and others from the flu. Knowing how long the flu lasts can help you prepare and manage your expectations. Stay healthy and take care of yourself during flu season. Also, eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables can provide essential vitamins and minerals to boost your immune system. Foods high in vitamin C, like oranges and strawberries, and zinc. Rich foods like lean meats and legumes can help your body fight off infections like the flu. And lastly, consuming probiotic foods like yogurt and fermented foods can support gut health, which plays a significant role in immunity.